Imagine your Python program wants to talk to AWS. But AWS says, "Sorry, I don't speak Python." That's where boto3 comes in. It acts like a translator between your code and AWS. Now your Python program can upload files, launch servers, manage databases, and much more. Before using an AWS service, you need to introduce yourself. You do that by creating a client. Boto3 client S3 means, "Hey AWS, I'd like to talk to Amazon S3. If you want EC2 instead, just ask for an EC2 client." It's like choosing which department you want to call. Once you're connected to S3, you unlock its toolbox. Need to upload a file? Use upload_file. Need to download one? Download_file. Want to see everything inside the bucket? List_objects_v2. It's almost like using File Explorer, but your files live in the cloud. Here's the cool part. Boto3 doesn't have one giant magic button. Each AWS service has its own toolbox. S3 knows about files. EC2 knows about servers. RDS knows about databases. So always grab the right toolbox for the job. So the whole journey is simple. Your Python code talks to Boto3. Boto3 sends the request to AWS. AWS does the hard work and sends back the result. You write a few lines of Python, and AWS does the heavy lifting.